Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how playwrights work and handle the shadow DOM object. Okay, so first let's understand what is the shadow DOM. So shadow DOM is basically a nested element sections. It is a separate DOM within the web applications. This works like a iframe. Okay, similar type iframe. So it has a separate DOM structure within the application. So how you know your element is coming in the shadow DOM or not? So just let's right click here in this application. It contains some shadow DOM elements. So you can see here there is a shadow root and this is open. And if you expand this, it will contain some piece of HTML code. We have here slot name equal to my text. It contains my default text. So playwrights will automatically handle this if we are using CSS selector or by locator using text. If we are using XPath will not support for the shadow root in the playwright. So let's see how we handle this. So we have here shadow DOM element here. So it has slot name equal to my text. Let's create locator. So I'm going to create a CSS selector here. Name my text. So I can call here the page.locator. Then calling text content. It will capture the text and then we can store in a variable. Let me run the test. Yeah, it started the execution. And here you can see we are getting two elements. That's why this is failing. So if we want to get the first element text, so we can call the method first. Let me run now. Yeah, you can see capture the text. But if we create here the locator by using text, it will also work. So let's see. I'm going to run the test. So this time I am using the locator by using text. So playwrights will support shadow root element. It will automatically handle when we are using CSS selector or text. If we are using the XPath, it will not work. Let me create XPath / star. So this is the XPath. Now let me run. Started running the test. URL is navigated. Now you can see here still it is not printed. So playwright is looking the locator within the DOM. Okay, so if we are using CSS selector or locator by using text, then playwright will automatically first it will search in the main DOM, then it will search recursively within the shadow root elements. Okay, so XPath will not support for the shadow root elements. You can see test is failed. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Hope this will help to you in your project. Okay, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, like the video and share with your colleagues and friends.